What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a holiday inspired makeup look. I am very excited. I actually have been trying to film this video like 3 times now. I want to use all of my tips and tricks so this makeup can look bomb. I did the heatless waves last night, but I slept kind of like a crazy person, so it didn't really work out that well, and this is what I have going on today. I will fix it later. So I'm gonna start with my foundation. It's just like the satisfaction of seeing your little pimples, your redness, and your discoloration go away with like a layer of foundation. I love that for me. I wanted to show you guys this. You know how I always like using chapstick while I do my makeup and stuff like that? So I actually found this lip balm pretty much, and it has like a little bit of a tint to it, and I wore this yesterday and it just looks so pretty. I did add lip liner, but I'm just gonna use it by itself right now while I do my makeup. I'm just gonna use this, and this is in the shade Rose Mirage, by the way. And look at that tint right there. It just looks so pretty and natural, and I just think that it makes your lips look so delicious. This is Cherry Wonderland, and this is more like a peachy color, and then this is the one that I have on right now. So let me do the YouTuber thing. So these are the 2 shades. I'll try this on for you guys. Okay, and then this is Cherry Wonderland. Wow, this is more vibrant. I was not expecting it to be this pigmented, not gonna lie, but it's not bad. So yeah, that is Cherry Wonderland. Now let's go back with our base. We're gonna do the concealer, and I'm gonna be taking the one size. Dude, I'm almost like running out of this, and I think I'm gonna have to get another one. That's how I feel, because I do really like the e.l.f. one, but I feel like this one just gives me that little extra coverage that I like. So I think I am going to get another one of these. Also, you know what I did notice though with this concealer? I noticed that I like it how it looks better when I apply it first instead of how I'm doing it right now, because I feel like it doesn't blend as seamlessly. And I forgot to do it today again, but luckily everything's fine, like it worked out. But I did notice yesterday when I was doing my makeup that I feel like it works better when I apply this concealer first and then the foundation after. I think it probably has to do a little bit with the consistency of this concealer because it's more thick and it like dries really fast. So just a little side note, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camel Hydrating Camel Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Rose. I've been loving this concealer. I've been using this concealer ever since I bought it, and I just really like how it brightens up the under eye, and I like how it feels like it's just very wearable. Even though like the tone is like a little bit extra, it still looks pretty natural, and it feels hydrating on the skin, and I really like that. I want to set my face really nice so it lasts all night, and I definitely like going where my smile lines form right here so they don't form. And I'm just gonna set that really quick. One thing that I've also been doing recently with my makeup is that I've been giving myself a little bit more time to let everything dry. Like after I apply the wet products and I'm starting to set, after I set, I just still give it like a couple seconds. So next time I go in with like the bronzer and blush and all of that, like it's not patchy or anything like that, because that used to happen to me before. Definitely just take your time, you know, like I know some people don't like taking a long time doing their makeup, and makeup can be really time consuming, like it really can. But at the same time, if you want to look good, you kind of have to put in the time for it. I'm gonna grab the Nikita face powder, and I'm gonna be grabbing both shades for this. So I'm just gonna do this. So I'm just gonna brighten this up, and I just kind of want to keep it tight, just like do this little triangle shape right here. So I'm just gonna try and keep it just very close in here, just with this little. I'm gonna start with the inner corner, go down, and then up, and then back to the inner corner, which is like an upside triangle. Okay, now I'll go in with the Kylie bronzer. I'm just going to do this little action right here. And this product you do have to take your time building it up, because it is pigmented, like you can get it there, but because it's so pressed, I think that's probably why it kind of takes a little bit longer, because you're not getting like a lot of product under your brush, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be going in with the Milani. This is in the shade Romantic Rose, and then this is the the Blossom Time Rose. So this is just like a little bit more peachy, and this is like a purplish undertone. Isn't it funny that I do my full face of makeup and then I go in with the eyeshadow and then the brows? I think that's interesting. I feel like throughout the years, obviously I have changed my makeup routine and like how I do things and like steps and stuff like that. But it's just, I don't know. I would think to do this like at the end, maybe because of time, you know, like when you do your base first, then your eyeshadow doesn't take as long compared if you were to do your eyeshadow first. You could take like freaking hours on there and then you would just do your face. I'm gonna take a brush. This is the Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna grab that Kylie bronzer and I'm just going to do some lines right here. For the Christmas look that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using both the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes and then the Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is definitely expired because I've had it more than a year, and I don't use it that much, but every time I do use it, I am reminded of how good this palette is, and I love it so much. I wish that I would wear this more often. Every shade is just like so perfect. So I'm gonna be using the gold and then the green in here. I'm just gonna go over with my beauty blender with whatever products that's left on there. There you go. Should be fine. Should be fine. All right, now with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is gonna be a mission and a half, the shade right here. And I'm just gonna go all over my lids. Maybe I'll try to wing this out a tiny bit. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Just gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna go in with this gold right here. This gold shade. This is the Sparkling Pineapple. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger. I'm just gonna tap that on here. Should I bring it up more? Maybe I should, huh? Alright. Yes! Let's go to the... I freaking love this shade, you guys. It's like a pressed glitter, I feel like. Because it definitely doesn't move out of the pan. But it's not like a creamy shadow either. But it's... I don't know, it's kind of like a mystery. I feel like I would just describe it as a pressed glitter. So these are the eyes. Very simple, I know. We're gonna keep on adding, but this is just gonna be like the main focus for the eyes because I just want it to be like really gold and sparkly. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and then I'm just gonna use the spoolie from my Precisely My Brow. These are our brows. Now we're gonna move on to, I guess we're just gonna continue with the eyes. And for that, I'm gonna be going in with this green shade right here. I believe this one is called Island Queen. And it has like, this is a really beautiful shadow, you guys. So it's green, but it kind of has like a purplish like effect with, it kind of changes with the lighting. You can't see it through the screen, but in person you can. And it's just so pretty. So I'm just going to be adding that on my bottom waterline. Can you see? Probably not, but it's just so pretty. And I want it to be more on the delicate side, so I'm not going to make it super thick. I just want for something to be there. Just do a little bit of brown eyeliner on here. Now, bottom. Gonna do some mascara here. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Just want to hold my lashes up so I can put on the falsies. We have time for it to dry and everything. Oh, Nugget, please don't. You guys, look at my eyes. So pretty. See what I mean about the green? It's like there's just a little something there. I want to talk to you guys about the lip. The lip is literally the main thing for this video. The original one that I wanted to use is this Maybelline Super State Vinyl Ink, and this is in the shade Royal. And you guys, these do not come off until you take them off with a makeup wipe. Like, they don't come off with water or coffee or anything. Like, they're transfer proof, they're waterproof, so they will not come off, but they will come off with a makeup wipe. I have no idea how they did that. It's literally insane. But I just feel like I want something a little bit darker, and then this is just a matte liquid lipstick. This is by L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. I think this is the one that I want to wear. This is in the shade Plum Bum. I've been wanting to show you guys this one, but I feel like this is the one that I want to go with. You know what I mean? But I don't know, should I? Yeah, I am. I'm gonna be lining my lips with the NYX Brown Lip Pencil. Let's apply these lashes on. You know what I've noticed for the black lash glue? That it just takes so long to dry. Like, it takes so long. You know how like in the back of the packaging of the glue it says to wait like 30 seconds or so? This one literally takes like a whole minute. That might not seem like much, but when you're doing your makeup 1 minute, you can do a lot in 1 minute. These are the lashes. Aren't they cute? They're still adorable. I'm gonna move on with the lip liner. I'm gonna get closer to you guys. Now we're gonna go in with this shade. You know, I didn't want this to be purple. I mean, it's not bad, it's just not what I want. What would happen if I put this on top of that? Would it make it darker? Would it ruin it? We're about to try. This is a more red. This is more like it. I'm gonna bring back in my birthmarks that I have. It's this one right here, if you can still see. Usually it gets covered with the makeup. So I'm just gonna bring them back to life. This one right here too. And this is it, you guys. This is my Christmas makeup look that I'm gonna be wearing. What do we think? Does it scream Christmas? Yes or no? Don't lie to me. Don't feel bad. Tell me the truth. Let me cover this up. See what I mean about the green? There's like something there, but it's very gentle, and I like it. These are the lips. Since I did put the Infallible matte lipstick underneath this, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I will kiss my hand. No, yeah, it definitely transferred. It transfers a little bit. But if I was to only do the red, the Maybelline one like this, it does not transfer. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye.